My channel, Tea Time Style Time. Today I have a item I'm very excited to share with you, and that is the Aspinal of London Midi Mayfair in the color Bordeaux. And this is a bag size I've been eyeing for quite a while. It went on sale and it happened to be within my budget, and it's something that I desperately wanted to try out and compare to my Mini Mayfair. And you know, I searched high and low on YouTube and I have not been able to find any bag comparing the Mini and the Midi. So that'll be an upcoming video. For now, I just want to show you my first impressions of the Midi, the medium.
The bag was ordered from Aspinal's official website. It arrived via DHL in record time. I believe it only took 2.5 days. The bag did come with an invoice, the dust bag as evidence in the video, and of course their very nice box. There's no handwritten note, but I was very happy with everything else. It was carefully wrapped and lots of tissue. This is a look at the inside of the bag. I didn't put as much of the interior in the video as I should have, but I'll touch on that in a few minutes. You can see the zip compartment as well as the care card I am about to pull out, as well as the front and back compartments. There's no back pocket inside of this bag.
You may have seen from the unboxing, the bag is pretty simple, very similar to the mini size. This leather feels a lot softer, but there is the champagne gold hardware. To open it, you press down and push up. The bag opens. I will do a what's in there in just a moment. There are 4 feet. Earlier models of this bag, I believe, did come with a mirror. This one does not have one. There is a back pocket that I probably won't keep anything in. The interior here does have a middle compartment where you can unzip and zip, but I do like that the logo is very small. Let's do a what fits and then I'll show you the inside. So inside the bag, I have a mask, a pair of Tom's sunglasses in a soft case, my phone, iPhone 11, my card holder wallet, and a lipstick. Charlotte Tilbury, I think this one's Pillow Talk. So as you can see, there's a zip compartment and 2 areas. There is no back pocket, which I thought there might be. In here, there's a care card from Aspinal of London and a guarantee, but that's pretty much it. If you want to close it, it just goes like that. It's pretty easy. Oh, the clips do have the little A for Aspinal, and it does come undone. This bag is great because it can be worn as a top handle or crossbody. So once again, if I'm putting everything back in, your phone can either go in the front pocket or the back. I like the sunglasses on top, and there's tons of room still. My mask I'll just put there, wallet, and lipstick. There you go. So the Midi Mayfair, let me go ahead and get you a couple of measurements. This one measures across about 7.5 inches. In height, it is about 6 inches. Handle drop, about 3 inches. Width, I would say about 2. And height from the side is about 6 inches. The strap drop is very generous. It is leather woven. I may end up replacing that. About 23 inches. So here's what it looks like if I wear it on my shoulder. And I am 5'5" for reference. Crossbody. And I just love the color of the bag. It is very rich, and when I ordered it, I thought it would be a lot lighter, but it seems to go with everything, so I'm really excited. Focus. There we go. I have heard some people have problems with this hardware here, but from all the bags I've owned, I just haven't had any issues so far. But I will let you know what the wear and tear is. This bag is so lovely, and it really does go with everything. And I'm just really excited to have it in my collection. If you have any questions, let me know. I said I was going to do a separate video, but I changed my mind. Just real quick, here is the size difference between the Mini and the Midi Mayfair. I'll do a full comparison soon, but it's really not that much of a difference. I already gave you the measurements for the other one. This one I have videos on, 6 inches by about 5 inches by 3 by, I would say, about 5. And this one does fit an iPhone. I'll give you a quick mod shot. And then I'm a little bit tight on time today, but the Midi Mayfair crossbody. This is the Midi Mayfair crossbody. And for shoulder comparison, Midi Mayfair and Mini Mayfair. All right. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'll see you guys on the next go round. Don't forget to like and subscribe.